सुहाग रात वाले दिन ही तलाक दे दिया।
क्यों रानी घोड़ा?
क्योंकि हमने उससे कहा घूंघट उठाओ, तो कहने लगी तुम खुद उठाओ। हम समझ गए ये काम चोर है। सुहाग रात वाले दिन ही तलाक दे दिया।
क्यों रानी घोड़ा?
क्योंकि हमने उससे कहा घूंघट उठाओ, तो कहने लगी तुम खुद उठाओ। हम समझ गए ये काम चोर है।
अपन किधर जा रहे जानू?
लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे।
वाओ, पहले काहे को नहीं बोले मेरे को?
मेरे को खुद अब मालूम पड़ा।
वो कैसे?
ब्रेक ही नहीं लग रहा इसका।
क्या? अपन किधर जा रहे जानू?
लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे।
वाओ, पहले काहे को नहीं बोले मेरे को?
मेरे को खुद अब मालूम पड़ा।
वो कैसे?
ब्रेक ही नहीं लग रहा इसका।
क्या?
Open him up. Open him up.
What do you think of this? What do you think?
Shit.
Open him up.
Open him up.
I said, what do you think of this? What do you think?
Shit.
Art and craft is fully Ritesh, like, he's doing all of that. But I think as a family, what we do together is laundry, and that's quite a lot of fun because.
Yeah, and it's important that we need to understand that in a relationship, men and women both are equal. So it's not कि यार ये काम सिर्फ औरतें करेंगी और मर्द ये काम करेंगे, ऐसा कोई ज़रूरी नहीं होता है। जब घर बनता है तो दोनों का होता है, पूरे परिवार का होता है। और हम दोनों भी नहीं, हमारे 2 छोटे बच्चे भी हैं, तो इसका मतलब नहीं कि हम ही शेयर लोड कर रहे हैं। वी मेक देम ऑल्सो शेयर द लोड, because it's the Jinle always said that it's the right age to teach them that they have to do their own thing.
We all try to get these different activities for them, and we're all struggling as moms and dads that, oh my god, how do we entertain them? All you need to do is the daily chores, and literally they have so much fun. Like, if you tell them to do something like laundry, the whole idea of putting detergent.
And I have to tell you that, Riyan and Rahel both have their own laundry bags. So they're very possessive. कि मेरे कपड़े इसी में जाएंगे, and by mistake if one kid puts his clothes in another bag, then they're like, no, that's my bag, Baba, he has put in my bag, and that has to be my bag. So we try to get with that also, and it's fun. It's fun to involve kids in various tasks, and this is hello. A lot of people are here, so I just want to say hello to a lot of guys with a lot of hearts and a lot of hellos and a lot of girls, and wow, we are thrilled to have so many hearts.
Yeah, wow, that's so cool.
And just to say that why don't you tell them how do you share load with the kids? What is in this time that we are stuck in one house, we cannot go out because of isolation. और ऐसे वक्त अगर घर में 24 घंटे आज 20-22 दिन और आगे के up to 40 days we are going to be together, not going out, so it's not easy. तो अपने आप को how do you keep yourself busy? I'm just asking, like I'm going to interview and I don't know exactly what she does, but let me tell you that I know exactly what she does, but still pretending. अच्छा जिनले मुझे बताइए कि जब आप घर पे अकेली होती हो और 40 दिन अपने पति के साथ आपको बिताना पड़ते हैं,
that's a question for him. Is he okay to be 40 days with me?
Of course, who wouldn't want to be? But what do you do? Like get up in the morning and do what?
No, I think it's really busy the day. I mean, by the time the day gets over, like we eat early, we sleep early. It's just like just doing daily chores nowadays, or doing little things like the kids love to bake. They love to like Ritesh and me watch a movie once in a while. I think I think we make it more difficult than it is. It's just about setting yourself to a certain lifestyle, and it's a good thing because I think it makes you feel a lot more independent, makes you feel a lot more capable. And as a couple, I feel that we plan our day, we plan to share the work. Like it's not like I'm going to be overworked and he's going to be underworked. Like it was Easter recently, and while we had this lunch planned and we did all the baking and all, Ritesh made